What's good, gang? What's good, Carla crew? You know what's going on today. I'm so excited. I will be sharing with you guys KCK Lashes. So I'm so excited about sharing with you guys these lashes. I've been wanting to try the lashes since Kennedy launched them. So she sent me some lashes. So thank you, Kennedy. Now I just want to share with you guys the line so you guys can see how it is in person, packaging, and all that. So it came in this really pretty, like, silver shiny, that makes no sense. Silver shiny packaging, super cute. I like the clean metallic look to it. It came in this bag, really nice, just mesh and singe bag. She sent me the lash applicator, which I'm going to try using. I'm used to using my traditional one, but I definitely want to give this a test so you guys know how it works and everything, and I will take it out so you guys can have a closer look. I love her packaging. I love how it's metallic. Ooh, I see the vibes. You see, she keep it clean. Everything match. Ooh, I just peeped everything match. Okay, Kennedy. Yeah, she know what she doing. You feel me? This matches the color of the card, which matches the reflection of the box, and the box reflection matches this, and it's all matching. Okay. Okay, this is high quality. You guys need this for your lashes already. I'm feeling it. It's not plastic or nothing. It's like a very nice material. And I like exactly where it pinches is exactly where you need it to pinch. Kennedy also sent me 2 pairs of the KCK lashes themselves. So I will be wearing both of the lashes. I want to share with you guys both lashes. So what I'm going to do is film some of it now and then some later so you guys can see how both lashes look. So today's vibe, they're both such cute lashes. I really can't. So let me show y'all. Ooh. So this is the packaging of the lashes. You guys just see they're like pretty colors and the reflection. I think that it really looked like money. I posted on my Snapchat story and I said the packaging looked like money because it does. So this is a really hard decision. I'm going to lie. But for today, I'm going to go with the Dreamy. They're both great, but today we're going to go with the Dreamy. So you open up the packaging and it's like this. Like I said, y'all, I'm going really in depth. Shout out Kennedy. These lashes, both these specific lashes will be linked down below, as well as the whole KCK Lashes website. So it's at KCK Lashes on IG if y'all want to follow, and shop at kcklashes.com. Super cute, y'all. So it comes in this container. So let's see. Oh, I just peeped the string. So we about to, ooh. So look, y'all see that string? You go like this to get it out. Bow, I just made it drop on the floor. Terrible. Why'd I do that? I'm too clumsy for this. And I got a dog. Y'all know how it be. The dogs be the dogs are everywhere. Okay. So here go the lashes. It was super easy to take out. It comes with like a little, it's kind of like a bookmark. It's really cute, and you could just pull out the lashes on the plastic. We're going to apply the lashes. Okay, so here we go. Okay, y'all, you know you always gotta sometimes take a thumbnail, even though it might not be the thumbnail that you think. So right now I'm just bending back the lash. Okay, this is how I take them out. So I bend back the plastic. Why can't I talk though in my videos? And we're gonna take the lash off. Okay, so we gonna get a closer look at the lash. It's looking good. I'm going to also take off the other one as well. So these are the Dreamy lashes. So I will be applying the lash with the Duo Eyelash Adhesive. Here is what the eyelashes are looking like up close. Again, here's the band and everything and how it wiggles. And yeah, let's go in with the like lash applicator, which I am loving the quality of it. You guys hear that snap? You can tell it's good. It's not no plastic. And what's great about the lash applicator is it molds like the rim. It molds the rim of the lash, so it makes it very nice to apply. So this one goes onto this side of the lash. It's gonna be this lash applicator really just changed my life already. Wow. Wow. This is my new go-to lash applicator. I already love it because when you apply lashes, this just made my whole life easier. Okay. The lash applicator wand is a must buy. Okay. That is already, you already know. The lashes is fantastic, must buy. But when y'all see it on, y'all gonna really be like, oh, okay then. So I'm applying this with some Duo eyelash adhesive. I also know that Kennedy is selling glue on her website as well. This lash applicator though, this just really changed my lash application life. So that's exciting. Thank you, Kennedy. Where is my mirror though? Because I think it would be easier to apply with the mirror. So I'm about to go grab my mirror and then I'm about to apply my lash. Y'all know I got that nice new mirror though. So I'm about to come up closer so you guys can really see. So I'm gonna just look down and apply the lash. Y'all, I'm excited. I'm anxious. I'm nervous. I'm just kidding. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so now that I got it like placed, I'm about to go in with Kennedy's KCK Lashes applicator and press it down for a better grip. For the next pair of lashes that I try on, I'm going to just already have them on so you guys don't have to like watch me put on lashes again. But I feel like it's good for you guys to at least see a demonstration of one of the pairs. And I'm not cutting the lashes or anything. I'm leaving them just as is. So I'm about to apply the next lash. And I personally do not wear like eyeliner or anything. But after this, I'm about to just apply a little bit of eyeliner on top. Alright, you guys, so the lashes are on. I haven't even put on mascara or anything yet. And I'm just going to go in with the Stella Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner on my inner corner a little bit. Honestly, I'm just going to line my eyes with a little bit of eyeliner. Ooh, that looks so good. Okay, I'm about to put on the other one. And you guys, when you put the liner on, after you put on your lashes, it applies it so nicely. And these lashes look so good. Oh my gosh, I feel like these definitely look way better than my Ardell Wispies off jump. That's what I normally use. I'm loving this pair of lashes. This is the Dreamy. They just look so pretty and they're so dark. These lashes, I wouldn't even apply mascara to them. So on the website, it says that you can wear them up to like 30 times, and that's so right. Like, you might be like, oh, I don't want to pay like extra for an eyelash, but you guys are really paying for better quality because these lashes, they're so dark, you guys, that I really am not even about to put mascara on. Wow, they look so pretty. Oh, I'm shook. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is put on the Perversion Mascara, but I'm only putting the Perversion Mascara on my natural lashes. So with these lashes, they have a nice length band. So if you guys have like a longer eye, it will fit. If you guys have a like shorter, you guys can always cut it to snip and fit your eyes. So that is a plus. These lashes also make your eyeliner look so good because I applied eyeliner after I applied the lash. Just because I'm addicted to mascara, I'm just going to apply it a little bit on the lashes, even though it's so not even necessary, but I just want to. This is the Dreamy eyelashes up close and personal. I know it's gonna be a really hard decision on which one to get. This looks so good. I have on a new outfit, new lashes, my hair is blonde now, new makeup look and everything because it's a totally different day, because I wanted to share with you guys both the lashes and I wasn't going to apply the lashes one day, take them off, and then put on the other ones, like seriously. And being able to actually wear them out in public, oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, I love these lashes. So this is the Glam AF lashes. So I'm gonna just Oh, Glam AF. Can it focus? There go my camera. Yes, the Glam AF lashes are on right now. They are fire, fire, flame, flame. So yeah, you guys, I can't make this stuff up. You know, I've known Kennedy for a very, very long time. I've known Kennedy my whole, like, I've known Kennedy for like 6 or 7 years now, which is so crazy. She's come such a long way. She put a lot into her lashes. This is not no, you know what I'm saying? This was hard work. And, you know, I know that Kennedy is going to be very, very successful off these lashes. He's going to be in Sephora one day, period. It's going to be in Sephora. That's going to be everywhere. Them KCK Lashes, I'm telling you. Links are below to shop Kennedy's lashes. Subscribe. And I will catch you guys in my next one. All right? Bye. Mwah.